Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In this, the top news for natural gas. Number one, Texas braces for more heavy rain after a weekend flash flood tragedy. Number two, Trump tariffs are back in the spotlight. Number three, Asian LNG demand, its prices are actually falling due to weak demand. And number four, European wind power is set to drop 40% for July and August in the UK, France, and Germany. This is from record levels back in June. Let's turn to the spot August contract. Right now, August natural gas prices are down. We're currently trading at 338.40, down 2.5 cents or 0.73%. As you can see from the daily chart here on barchart.com, we're still in this down trend line. This started all the way back on June the 20th, and we can't seem to break higher. Right now, currently, as you can see, we were down even further overnight, but we've recovered some. The RSI is warning that it is trying to turn higher, but we really don't have much to turn the prices stronger because we don't have enough heat. And let's take a look at the hourly chart. This is the hourly chart for August using pivot points. And as you can see, the RSI turned up from that overnight weakness. But as you can see, we did get over that first support level at 332.80, but we have not broken above the 50% between those next two pivots, between 332.80 and 345.10. So that's exactly at 339 and a little bit of change. But as you can see right here, the high for this bar, 339.10. We've got to get over that. If we cannot do so and close over that later this afternoon, we're going to unfortunately continue to weaken out. Let's look at the front to back spreads. As you can see here, this is the Jan versus the August spread. It's currently up 8 ticks to 136.80. As you can see right now, we've got first support here at 133.70. Well below that is the 120 level. That's critical. And we have an upside target. This is using the Fibonacci extension tool here on tradingview.com. And as you can see, that is well above the market at 158.90. That would mean the front would continue to weaken. The back of the board will continue to hold or move higher. And let's take a look at the Jan versus October spread. That spread, again, same thing. 120 is our critical level of support. We're actually down a little bit on this one in 3 ticks to 123.40, down 0.24%. Our upside target here is 134.30. And let's see the weather. Well, the 8 to 14-day temperature outlook is above normal from Texas all the way across to Florida, but near normal in the far west and above normal in the Rockies and parts of New England, strangely enough. And Chantal. Chantal is now a tropical depression, and it is moving through Virginia. It will come off the coast in southern New Jersey and then head out to sea, and this will just continue to be a rainmaker. And there's nothing on the horizon. As you can see from the hurricane outlook here, no tropical development is expected all the way through July 22nd. And look, why? Well, we still have more Saharan air layer or dust coming through. A big swath of it is already hitting here in Texas. And as you can see, more of it's coming through the Caribbean, and we've got even more coming in behind it. This is really going to inhibit any mid-Atlantic hurricane activity. Let's look at the weather. As you can see, because it is hot and it is humid, we've got some extreme heat risk here across from Georgia all the way back up into Maine for today. This starts to dissipate a little bit, but as you can see, it is still pretty extensive from Boston all the way back to Atlanta for tomorrow. And then it's just in the Carolinas on Wednesday, and then it starts to dissipate. But we do see some heat risk in Arizona and New Mexico. That is where we have a drought still. As you can see, it really is just along Louisiana on Saturday and parts of Georgia on Sunday as well. And that drought, it continues around San Antonio, all the way back out to El Paso, into the interior parts of the West, all the way back into Nevada. Obviously, the weekend rain, the tragedy we saw here west of Austin, will continue to help this situation. That was unfortunately a very big tragedy. And we are expecting more rain this week in Texas. Let's take a look at those stocks. The stocks here are the oil and gas E&P sector. This is a market cap between $2 and $10 billion and a short float over 10%. As you can see, it's just positive for Apache and CNX right now. Everything else seems to be down. And let's look at the 1 week performance. It hasn't been great. Apache and Murphy Oil and Gas are doing well as Northern Oil and Gas and Magnolia. That is because oil prices did recover for a little bit, but what else is down? The natural gas stocks, CNX and CRK, or Comstock Resources. So again, reminder here, we are currently down for the August natural gas contract, currently trading 338.16, down 2.3 cents or 0.67%. We do need to carry this level here at 339 on a closing basis, according to the hourly pivot chart. So we need to see that close in order to get some further upside. And that would be our back to our pivot, which would be 345.10. Well above that is 351.10 for first pivot resistance. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.